Coming up next, Salesian News Asia-Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 103rd episode of Salesian News Asia-Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. India, Pope Francis appoints former Provincial Father Nirmol Gomes as the new Bishop of Krishnagar in eastern India's West Bengal state. He is 7th Salesian Bishop of the diocese established in 1886 and 12th Salesian College Sonada alumnus made Bishop. Banhun Langlingdo reports.
Father Nirmol Gomes, born on 8th February 1959 in Ranaghat, in the Diocese of Krishnagar, entered Salesian aspirantate at Bandel and completed his novitiate at Sunnyside, Shillong on 24th May 1979. After his philosophy studies in Sonada, Darjeeling, he pursued his theological studies at the Pontifical Salesian University in Rome, where he was awarded a doctorate in the science of education. Ordained a priest on 22nd July 1989 in his native town of Ranaghat in Nadia district, Father Gomes, 63, holds a licentiate in pedagogy also from Pontifical Salesian University, Rome. After being 6 years Dean of Studies at Salesian College Sonada, Father Gomes was a rector for another 6 years at Salesian College Sonada from 2000 to 2006 and later rector of Don Bosco School, Siliguri. Before serving current position as Assistant Director at Salesian Novitiate in Dhajia, Father Gomes served 6 years as a Provincial Superior of Kolkata Province.
Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. Ukraine. Salesians share Easter with refugees from Ukraine. News supplied by Father Mikhailo Shaban, Superior, and reported by Head of Salesian Emergency Response Coordination, Father George Menamparampil in Rome.
The Greek Orthodox Rite of the Catholic Church celebrates Easter 1 week later than the Latin Rite Church. The Salesian Vice Province in Ukraine follows this rite. We wanted that the people who did not flee the country despite the war should have a good Easter celebration. Don Bosco Mission in Bonn, Germany, agreed to give a special Easter packet to each of the 1,100 families in our parishes in Ukraine. Each box had the provisions a family would need to have a festive celebration of the resurrection. Meanwhile, the Provincial House and all the Salesian institutions of Warsaw Province and Krakow Province shared a festive lunch with all the refugees who have been staying in their community for weeks. Also in the Czech Republic, the Salesian Institute of Social Pedagogy and Theology is offering the refugees courses in the Czech language, a pedagogy course, and courses for social workers to help them to integrate faster into the Czech social fabric.
Philippines tech students assemble Bamboo Geodesic dome. Father Ronald Guyao reports from Cebu.
Students of Don Bosco Tibet Center, Balamban, Cebu, held a one-day workshop to assemble a bamboo geodesic dome. The workshop was done in collaboration with the Philippine Institute of Architects, Cebu, Don Bosco, and Bamboo Horizons. The workshop included the basics of bamboo, the computation of a geodesic dome, and the hands-on assembly of a 6-meter diameter geodesic dome. The workshop was in line with Don Bosco Tibet Center Balamban's advocacy for a green Tibet and eventually for providing green jobs to the community.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Philippines, 10 clerics make final vows to be Salesians. Cleric Severinus Mait Mido reports from Paranaque City.
10 young Salesians from the East Asia-Oceania region have professed perpetual vows to live forever in obedience, poverty, and chastity at a solemn ceremony at the National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Paranaque City. Hailing from 5 provinces of the region, 4 of them are for Philippines North, 2 each for Philippines South and Indonesia, and 1 each for East Timor and Myanmar. General Counselor for Missions, Father Alfred Maravilla, on his extraordinary visitation to the Philippines, received the vows.
Vietnam football tournament marks Easter celebrations. Father Augustine Dofuk reports from Ho Chi Minh City.
On the 30th of April 2022, more than 120 young people from Cà Mau province came to Don Bosco Tak Văn community to participate in the Don Bosco football tournament to celebrate Easter joy. Young people from 6 parishes participated in the competitions held from 7:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. The players were divided into 2 groups for 10 matches of 30 minutes each. Don Bosco Tak Văn team won the first prize, Quat Long second, and Cà Mau third. After prize distribution, each team received their lunch before returning to their respective parishes.
Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia-Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. Enjoy the rest of your day.